Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a screen goes black randomly on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type change screensaver. Click on open it. In blank, you just need to click on this drop down and select none and select apply, and now select change power settings. Select show additional plans, and in here you just need to select a high performance option and then select a change plan settings. Turn off the display, click on the drop down and select never. Put the computer to sleep, click on the drop down and select never, and now select change advanced power settings. Just need to expand the PCI Express, expand link state power management, and in setting click on the drop down and select off and select apply and OK for save changes. Select the save changes option and now select choose what the power buttons do. Select change settings that are currently unavailable. You just need to uncheck this option guys. Turn on fast startup, uncheck it and select save changes option, and now you just need to close stuff here and click on OK, and now check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to right click on the desktop and select display settings. You just need to scroll down and select advanced display. You just need to scroll down, click on this drop down in refresh rate, and you just need to select the correct refresh rate guys. My monitor refresh rate is 60. You just need to choose a refresh rate your monitor supports. After selecting that, you just need to select Windows Update on the left side. Select check for updates, and you just need to install pending updates guys. After that, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. Expand the display adapter section and right click on your GPU and select properties. Select driver tab and select update driver. Select set automatically for drivers. Now you just need to close stuff here. If the issue started after a driver update, then you just need to select the rollback driver option guys, and after that just to close stuff here. I hope one of these method fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.